Maybe you are confused about how to actually begin your importation journey the right way. Welcome to your importation journey and congratulations for taking this step. My name is Chioma Steven. I've been importing products from China, Vietnam, and even USA for over 10 years now. Over the years, I have learned the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts, and I've also seen how much beginners struggle, especially when it comes to finding right suppliers. One thing I notice is that a lot of people keep coming to me asking for suppliers' contacts individually. And honestly, it became stressful and not scalable. But more importantly, I realized something. Just giving contacts is not enough. You need to understand the full process, how to communicate, how to negotiate, and how to avoid mistakes. That's why I created Chioma Steven Imports and Profits, CSIP, a structured mentorship platform where beginners can learn importation step by step, understand how to source products properly, buy directly from China, Vietnam, and beyond, and get access to over 100 plus verified business contacts, all from the comfort of your home. This is not just about importing. This is about helping you build a profitable business and turn your ideas into income. Whether you want to start small or grow into wholesale, this platform is designed to guide you every step of the way. So in my next video, I'll be showing you the exact apps you can use to order products directly from China, Vietnam, and beyond. But I want to know, have you ever tried ordering from any platform before, or are you completely new? Let me know in the comments and I will make sure to address it in the next video. If you're serious about starting your importation journey, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be sharing everything you need to know step by step. If you're interested in joining the mentorship, I will leave the details in the description below. Stay with me as we turn your vision into profit, and I will see you in the next video.